Good morning, Seattle. We are coming to you from Tiger Mountain in the Issaquah Alps. It's a cool 25 degrees today and there's still some leftover snow. If you look closely, you can see Mount Baker, snow-covered, off in the distance there, as well as Lake Sammamish, Bellevue, Lake Washington, Seattle, the Puget Sound, and the Olympics. Of course, just over these trees, Mount Rainier stands proud to the south. If you're just starting out your day, take a moment to breathe and look out at the birds. They're not worried about anything, and God takes care of them. In the same way, you don't have to worry about anything either. If you've got a dog, be sure to take him for a long walk today, because you won't regret it. That's all for now. Please subscribe for more updates like this.